Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Grogu from the Book of Boba Fett. Obviously, you know him as Baby Yoda, but his name is Grogu now. So that's pretty much it. Real simple stuff. Hopefully you enjoy it, and let's get started, okay? I have drawn Baby Yoda before, but it's like a little bit of a different version, just to kind of have some variety on here. Whew, let's get started. Going to go over here and draw the kind of top of the head here. It's got really big ears, so that's going to affect it, you know. It's going to affect how big you draw it on the paper. Oh, by the way, this is for beginners, okay? I don't know if I mentioned that already. I'm going to go over here, and I'm going to pull the line out. Try to make it imperfect, because his ears are a little bit imperfect. Makes it a little bit, you know, so look a little bit more realistic. Go out over here. Alright. Let's find the shape of his head first before we draw the rest of his ears. So I'm going to go over here and draw the little... Because his head looks kind of like a hamburger shape. That's kind of like if you were to... Yeah, I don't know what else to describe it as. The middle of his head looks like a hamburger shape without the ears. Line across. Line over here. He's got this big cheeks. Right on. I don't know if you watched Book of Boba Fett yet. If you haven't, check it out. I really liked it. I just finished it. I saw the whole thing in one day. It's only like 6 episodes, so it's really easy to draw. I'm gonna put a dot here and a dot here to find the eyes. He's got incredibly big eyes. Go over here, curve the top of one eye, curve over here. As you guessed it, he's got pretty big eyes for his head shape. Partially because he's also like a baby, because like baby features have bigger eyes in proportion, you know, to your head. Line over here for the nose, relatively small nose, like incredibly small nose. Maybe line over the top. Gonna go over here, put a highlight over here. And I'm going to fill in pretty much the whole eye, almost the whole eye, except for that highlight. Curve over here for kind of the top of the eyes there, or like the eyebrows, I mean. Actually, that could be the eyelids, forgive me. Mouth, it's gonna have like a little V in the middle sometimes. Line here, line here. Line here for the edges of the mouth. Going up over here for the edge of the ear over here. Line over here. For the ears, pulling in. You can kind of make darker shape here. Pull a line out here for the ears itself. Line over here. And let's draw the little vest thing. He's got like this turtleneck kind of look going on around the neck area. Line down here for the arm. Short arm. Line over here. Arm. Down over here. Over here. Line over here. Line over here. line for the hands. It's just kind of like a tiny hand shape, pretty much. And you can draw tension lines over here from the clothing. Right there. And let's draw like these wrinkles on the forehead a little bit. Just very, very simple. And that's a different version of Baby Yoda, of Grogu, you know? A little bit less animated, more real. But there you go. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Don't forget, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification when you do that. Subscribing to the channel, I post 3 times every single weekday. I post a lot. So when you subscribe, and it's going to give you notifications on your feed. And it's really good for the channel when you subscribe as well, for the algorithm. All of that stuff. Thank you so much. I'll see you next time. If you want to learn more, if you want to really, really dig into your drawing skill overall, go check out my hour-long drawing lessons on, like, you know, the basics. I'll talk about that next in this announcement, okay? See you later. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more